What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to try to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube, and I'm going to prove why you don't have to be a genius to solve the Rubik's Cube. So first I need to tell you the names of the different sides of the Rubik's Cube. So for this method, beginner's method, you don't need to know the names of all the sides. I'm just going to tell you the sides that we need to know. For the beginner's method, you only need to know up, right, left, and front. So another thing you need to know is the rotation. Clockwise rotation, which is like this. This is clockwise. And this is counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. So first thing we're going to do is have the center white piece in front of us. Center white piece in front of us. So our goal is to make white cross. To make white cross. As you see, the center pieces do not move. They stay there all the time. So we have to get the white cross. White cross. And not just white cross. It should correspond to the color of the side. So let's say it's white here, it's blue here. Your goal is to make white here and blue here. So what we need to do is to find blue and white side piece. This piece here has to be white and blue. Now let's try to get that piece over here. So we need to find white and blue. It's right here. Now we found it. Now we need to find the white center, which is here. So in our case, it's going to be very easy because we're just gonna have to bring this up here. So now you have white and blue. Now we need to find, let's say this works here, right? So green piece and white piece, but we need to flip it. So this piece ends up here, but this side has to be on this side. So what we need to do, we need to bring this down and then lift it up like this. Now we have white and green. Now we need to find for another white and some other color piece. So in this case, orange and white. Now this here is going to be very easy because all you need to do is to find orange piece, bring this side piece under the orange piece. So bring this over here and then simply lift it up like that. Now we need the last color, which is red. So we can't simply turn it upside down like that. See, it doesn't match. So what we need to do is simply take this down, take this to the side, and then turn it like this, and then bring it over here, like that. But as you see, we messed up the green. So what we can do is to simply drag it back up, and since this piece is ready, we just flip it like that. Now we have the white cross and all the colors are corresponding. So all the colors match. Now we need to put the corner pieces of the first layer. Corner pieces. So let's say this corner here should be white on top, orange, and green. So what we need to do, we need to find that piece, which is right here. We got lucky. That piece is right here. Okay? So it's very simple. We just drag it down, bring it over here, put it up like that. Okay, this layer is very easy. So in the beginner's guide, there is no combination of moves, so you just have to figure out yourself. So now we have this corner ready. Now we need, let's say this is a good corner, but we need to find its right place, which is, I think it's right here. No. So red, blue, white, red, blue, white. It's almost ready to go up here. We just need to move it away, bring this down, bring this back, and lift it up. Now it's in the right spot. Now here, another corner. Green, red, and white. Red, green, and white. So let's try to find red, green, and white. Red, green, here. It's right here. So we move it over to red, green, and white place. So put it under that corner, move it away, bring it back, flip it up like that. We have the last corner, which is blue, orange, and white. So we need to find blue, orange, and white, which is right here. So we move it, we bring it under that corner. It's almost ready, so we move it away, bring this down, and lift it up. So the first layer is ready. The first layer is ready. This is the first layer. Now we need to get the second layer. Here we'll have to use the combination. I use the combination. I'm no genius. I'm a regular English teacher, so you can do it too. What we need to do, we need to have the white side on the bottom like this. So the white side has to be on the bottom. Now we need to fill the second layer, right? For that, we need to find the pieces that match here. In this case, it's got to be red and green. Red, green piece. Is there a red, green piece? No. But there is blue and red piece. Blue and red. Right here. Blue and red. So we bring that piece on top of the blue center. Our goal is to take this piece to here, which is on the right, right? Now for that, we are going to use the combination. Okay? And the combination is as follows. Up clockwise, right clockwise, up counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, up counterclockwise, front counterclockwise, up clockwise, and front clockwise. As you can see, the piece is on its place. Now we move on to the next piece. So we have the blue and orange. We move it over here again. See, it's important not to move the yellow ones because the sides only have any color but the yellow. So in this case, orange and blue, orange and blue. Now here we have an issue. Since now you know the combination to bring this piece here, in this case you need to bring this side piece over here. We're going to use a different combination, but it's kind of a mirrored combination, I hope. Anyways, here it is. Up counterclockwise, left counterclockwise, up clockwise, left clockwise, up clockwise, front clockwise, up counterclockwise, front counterclockwise. Okay, I messed it up here. I messed it up. I'm really sorry. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna fix this corner, which is blue, orange, and white. Where's blue and orange and white? It's right here. So we're going to fix this like this, and then we'll just continue. Yes, we will just continue. So we were over here, okay? So we're gonna put it back in here. So I know the right combination better than the left combination. Clockwise, right clockwise, up counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, up counterclockwise, front counterclockwise, up clockwise, and front clockwise. So now we have second layer here. Now we need to find orange and blue, which is right here. And a good thing, we're lucky, it also goes to the right. So up clockwise, right clockwise, up counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, up counterclockwise, front counterclockwise, up clockwise, front clockwise. Now we have the second layer. Congratulations, we did it. Now the next step is to get yellow cross. So we have to get the yellow cross. And the sides are not important. We just need to get the yellow cross. For this, we also have a combination. It's very easy, actually. So you start off with the yellow center top on the top. So the yellow center should be looking up like this. And then front clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, top or up counterclockwise, and front counterclockwise. Now we need to flip the yellow side, and we need to get inverted or mirrored L shape like this. So L is usually like that, but we need to get this kind of shape, like an L. Face this L up, and then do the combination again. Front clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, front counterclockwise, front counterclockwise. Now we have the line. We need to turn it like that and do the combination again. Front, right, up, right, back, or counterclockwise, up counterclockwise, and front counterclockwise. Now we have the yellow cross. Congratulations, we have the yellow cross. Now the next step is to get the side pieces. So this piece has to end up here, okay? Or this piece has to end up here. We have a combination that moves these pieces clockwise. So if I apply the combination now, this piece will move over here, okay? So let's do this. It goes right clockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise twice, 1, 2, and then right counterclockwise, counterclockwise, and up again, up counterclockwise, clockwise. So now we have this here and orange here. Now we need to get the blue here, and we're going to apply the same combination. It's going to go right clockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise twice, 1, 2, right counterclockwise, and up clockwise. Now this piece is here. So now we're ready to finish the last third layer. What we need to do, we need to find the piece that matches the corner piece, the correct right corner piece, which is this one. Why this is right piece? Because we have green, yellow, and orange. So green, yellow, and orange. We need to make this combination to flip these corners in their right positions. So you have to have this right corner in the right up corner and do this combination. So it goes up clockwise, right clockwise, up counterclockwise, left counterclockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, and up counterclockwise, and down left clockwise. Now you need to check if the corner pieces match. This doesn't match, so this doesn't match either. So you have to do this again. U, R, U, L, U, R, U, L. Now, as you can see, we've positioned the corner pieces for the last combination. So what does this mean? Right positioning means you have green, green, red, red, yellow, yellow. Doesn't matter which way they're positioned. What matters is they're in the right corner. So what you need to do is apply one last combination, which is very simple. It's called RD. So you pick any corner because they're all positioned correctly. Let's go with this corner. RD, which is R clockwise, down clockwise. R counterclockwise, down counterclockwise, and then R clockwise, down clockwise. You keep doing it until you get this picture. Once you get this picture, you move it over like this. You move it upside and then do the combination again. R, D, R, D. See, we have to do it again. R, D, R, D. R, D, R, D, R, D, R, D. You keep doing it until you get this. Now we move it over again. R, D, R, D, R, D, R, D. Keep doing. R, D, R, D. Keep doing. R, D, R, D. Now move it again like this. R, D, R, D, R, D, R, D, and just move it like that. Now you have the Rubik's Cube, I'm sorry, all completed, all solved.